Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a man piles 272 logs in a layer so that the top layer contains 2 logs and each lower layer has 2 more logs than the layer above. How many logs in the lowest layer? Now to find the number of logs in the lowest layer, we need to use the sum of the first n terms of the sequence. That is, for that, here we need a1, an, sn, and all this information is given here. So let us find the solution. Firstly, this is arithmetic sequence. That is 2, 4, 6 and so on. Because here we can observe the top layer contains 2 logs and each lower layer has 2 more log. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is a of n equals to a of 1 plus n minus 1 into d, where a of 1 equals to a of 1 is first term. Here it is 2 and d is common difference. Common difference is 2. So, an is a of 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So, it is 2 plus 2n minus 2, that is 2n. The sum of the first n terms of the sequence is Sn equals to n by 2 a of 1 plus a of n. So substituting values here, solve for n. Sn is 272 equals to n by 2, 2 plus 2n. So to solve this for n, let us make a quadratic equation in the form like n square plus n minus 272 equals to 0. That is n minus 16, n plus 17 equals to 0. So n equals to 16 and n equals to minus 17. So take a positive solution. That is n equals to 16. Hence, there are 16 layers. Now, each layer contains 2 logs. So, lowest layer means number of logs in the lowest layer is given by, means number of logs in the lowest layer is given by 2 into 16, that is 32. Hence our correct option is option C, which is 32 logs.